In this video, we'll be taking a quick look at the FASB's new ASC website and how to navigate it. The FASB stands for the Financial Accounting Standards Board, and the ASC stands for the Accounting Standards Codification. The ASC is the comprehensive online database that contains everything relating to GAAP for financial reporting in the United States. It is the authoritative source for generally accepted accounting principles and is regularly updated to reflect any new accounting guidance that is issued by the FASB, as well as any other relevant standard-setting bodies. Historically, in order to access the FASB's ASC, you needed to have a subscription, which, for example, for students was provided by the schools. But recently, they opened up their codification without a need for a subscription. Anyone in the general public can now access the ASC for free. I believe this is a great change. It allows for greater transparency and consistency in financial reporting. Before we take a look at the new website, let's quickly review how to read the classification codes by the FASB. So as we see here, the FASB has developed a hybrid classification system for the codification, and it's separated by hyphens, so there's 4 parts to reading this. First part is the topic, next is the subtopic, after this is the section, and then finally the paragraph. These codes are basically the address. They're how you locate different portions of the codification, and they're also what you use to cite any work that you find. This is what the FASB's new website looks like. Let's just walk through a quick example of navigating it on the side using the classification codes. So when you start here and you take a look at the left side, we'll go under assets. So these are the topics for assets. Now going into receivables, these are the subtopics for the receivables. Next, clicking on this will bring you to the section. And then clicking on this one more time, you'll be able to locate the different paragraphs within the section. So for example, the way to read this is topic 310, subtopic 10, section 25, paragraph 1. Now, taking a look at the FASB's website, there are 3 main ways that you can use to search and find different parts of the codification. The first way is taking a look at the white box in the top left. If you know exactly what codification code you're looking for, you can just drop that in there and then go directly to it within the codification. The second way is by navigating the different tabs on the left side, starting with the topics, down to the subtopics, and then eventually the sections and paragraphs. Something that I found to be helpful is by clicking this tab right here where it says show all in one page. If you don't know what you're looking for, it makes it a little bit easier to navigate. It'll bring up the entire topic on one page. That way, if you're looking for a specific keyword, you can do Control F on that entire page. And then instead of having to navigate through the different side tabs, it's all in one place. The final way to search on the new website is by clicking this keyword search tab on the left and then typing in whatever topic you want to. For example, if we're going to look at unearned revenue, we'll just type that in here and then show all results. You'll get a lot of different answers here and results to scroll through. I've found it to be a little bit less precise, but you can help narrow the results by looking at this right side. You can click different things what you're looking for, and then also you can drill down to the different topics. This is great for when you have a general idea of what topic or subtopic you're looking for, but you're not sure which section or paragraph to find the item that you're looking for in. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.